Hello everybody, this is Yole at Natural Health Secrets. We will talk about new health topics and share simple health solutions with you every week. In the last episode, we showed you about how to use Spooky2 Rife Machine to get rid of parasites. If you have any questions after watching, please leave a comment below. We would like to know your thoughts and opinions. Today we will talk about the effect of heart disease on people's life and how does heart disease relate to our emotions and circumstances. How to get out of the grip of a heart disease. Your power is to make changes of your beliefs, emotions, and your lifestyle. That doctor cannot do for you. Working with trustworthy doctor, you can gradually reduce medications with negative side effects and replace it with natural herbal remedies. The average adult heart beats about 100,000 times each day. The heart illness causes more hospitalizations than all the forms of cancer combined. Currently, heart disease is the cause of about 1 in every 4 deaths in the United States. People diagnosed with it are often encouraged to take boatloads of medications with some pretty intense side effects, so it represents one of top income sources for related institutions. Every year, doctors announce some new magic pill or surgical technique to cure heart problems. And each year, heart disease is the leading cause of death in the developed world. Over the years, cause of cardiovascular disease was attributed to smoking, eating habits, weight problems, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and just plain genetic bad luck. But recently, scientists are discovering that free radicals, omega-6 fatty acids, high homocysteines levels, circulating immune complexes in the blood, and overall systemic inflammation and many newly discovered factors are also playing fundamental roles in the onset of heart disease. This linear thinking requires to be placed in a holistic, multidimensional perspective. So I have no choice but saying it again. It cannot be overemphasized. We have all information for generating and restoring the perfect health recorded in our genes, in our DNA. Epigenetic research lately explains most of inner and external factors that disturbed our state of perfect balance. In other words, we are a drop of the cosmic ocean of intelligence and power, a drop that has all qualities of the ocean. We may call it the intelligence of nature, intelligence of the universe, or God. Whatever fits you, but one is sure. We have records of perfect balance in us, in most cases deeply covered and suppressed by pain, stress, and exhaustion of modern life. Our real problem comes from the anger, from being trapped in dependency systems, from experiencing living injustice, emotional and physical toxins, experience of betrayal and deception of our real purpose and goals, the deep resentment of being forced to do what we don't want to do, unable to make any significant change. You might not accept this as an appropriate explanation from a scientist, but this truth will be confirmed again and again until it would not be possible to distort it anymore. To make it clearer, your negative emotions supported by toxins in environment, food, medications, personal care, household products, disturb original body intelligence patterns and make a space for growth of disease. In this case, it was hard because your dominant emotional pattern was fear of losing, squeezing all the joy out of your heart in favor of money and position and similar. Lack of love, security, and joy in your life. Or in other words, the energy, the frequency of your thoughts, emotions, supported by other contributing factors, have influenced functioning of your heart and generated the conditions for its weakening. If you understand these explanations deeply, you will be able to regain your health and much more your freedom from dependency. In the next episode, we want to inform you of the real primary cause you need to pay attention. If you have questions after watching the video, comment below. We will answer your questions in the next episodes. If you want to know more, don't forget to subscribe. You are welcome to watch our next video.